Bosco Boys Higher Secondary Art Section.
Hakan ruterik urisau araja arpulai kani ke skul kelayo ban rakhe bat pendan buram ya ka Sngi buram ki Kmie pa parents day kumba julong man usnem lingba ki program ba pher ki ba ki Khynnah skul jong kani ke skul kile shementa ban Pynkmen yala ki jong ki Kmie ki pa ki blon ban shementa hakani ke Sngi. Menteri Ketenat Education jong ke Sohra jela urakam sangma uladon rengkat bat ulalong ru kum ukongsan hakani ke Sngi. Hak jenderal lang iba Kevin MLA jong ke Sohra constituency iba long kum usumbut kongsan harengkat ke jenderal lang iba HM Changpliang advisor jong Ketenat Education BDO jong ke Sheila bolakan CNRD block kong Jesinta Umdor ba PMCM SDPO jong ke Sohra kumjuru hak jenderal lang i officer in charge jong ke Sohra police station ba Anthony Kongsit. Barengkat ki Kmie ki pa jong ki Khynnah skul shua ban sedang ka program layo mentangyo bomiti da Menteri Ketenat Education kum kadak ka jingpli ya ka jubili rupa jong ka higher secondary section. Hakani ka Sngi layo ru ban pelaj ya ka wei ka kot belatho da i Dr. Elijus Sawian ibede i vice principal jong ka St. John Bosco Boys Higher Secondary School Sohra kerteng jong ka kot dai footprints on the stone.
St. John Bosco Boys Higher Secondary Art Section mentau senem kala kerjo syau mau jam ubah pesan senem kajing syakri jongka jadi Khynnah skul bagi pai yang syang senong jong kani kathan kum kadak bagi pendan buram yang kani kasmi gives you di Khynnah skul jom ni ban sampai Kmie pi Kmie pa dari sab ki phong fair di ban sampai Asia pi. Let us look forward to their performances with a lot.
I'm
Layo ya kijingkren pediang subha nai Reverend Father Alphonsius Rongren ibalong i principal jong ka school Saint John Bosco Boys Higher Secondary School Sohra.
Happy Parents Day. Thank you for giving your time and being here with us today. Today is your day and your children are here to entertain you all with their items. Thank you to one and all. Takjing keku kalau jong play try kibak mampu nangkau gaya Kmie hakerten jong kinong ikai ban Khynnah Skul Saint John Bosco Boys High Secondary School Sohra ban dia from ya pibaro ki Kmie pa jong Khynnah Skul juri Sngi ban from ya pi kong ki Kmie pa ngasmu pi baro pilawang kanak-kanak menisip dalam hak dekasi tobleng kamu ketua pi kasara aparang jong akan ngobrol aro pengrok dalo kucing parents diko simang paksa manenga ya samo kucing bagan school di staff rang aro student rang na simang ko kusiuwi recak surat.
Layo ya kijingkren ki basotenat na usumbut kongsan ba ki bin MLM ibalong MLA jong ka Sohra constituency.
Kasih kebakarpang nagabenta ka jong piwe kamanagalian jong school ka penbet nang kung kadak panpen pao ya ka jong Sohra ya pi kung ki Kmie kikpa kiba la 3 minut panpen ti kana bagi kun kikti ki jong pi kenyo ya ka jing nang di start kabapura. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards the principal and also to the members of the school managing committee for having invited me as a guest of honor to this function. Of course, special thanks goes to our Honorable Education Minister, Sir Kmie who has spared his valuable time to be present with us for this special program, and it's really a privilege, sir, to have you here. Of course, we do understand that as a government, in particular when we speak of the education sector, we are confronted by many challenges on the ground, but I'm very confident, sir, that under your able and dynamic leadership, such challenges will be addressed to a great extent in order to ensure that quality education is being imparted to the students of our beloved state.
Layo jingkren ki Bosco tenat na menteri ketenat education rakam sangma belawan kenang hakani Sngi banlong kum ukongsan.
You wear today, what have you shoes today, what dress you have today, it is the best that your parents has given to you. Be satisfied. Don't make your parents cry. But today, when you born first, when you are still a baby, your parents smiles by seeing you. And today, at the same stage, when your parents see your children dancing, singing, acting, there is a smile in the hearts of many parents today. This makes me smile. Therefore today, but it is not a curse at all. But today, my young students, we always said, where begins is the half done. But today, I always used to say, well begun, yes, it's half done. But well finished, it's a perfect statement for your parents. Your parents might have not begun well to you, and you might not have begun well with your parents, with your family, but your parents, your leaders, and your father want to see you to finish well. Therefore, my young students, please smile your parents by finishing well your academic career, to which your parents and your father's principal and every teacher will smile. Hidayah Bang Sumarwa Yakikun Yado Nakabang Simka Zinki Kia Patina Bang Penhe Tensan Bang Aikaki Zingang Zingsat Kamtang Ka Balon Kakor Parapri.
I would like to extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. I would also like to extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our respected Chief Guest, Shri Rakam A. Sangma, Honorable Minister of Education, Government of Meghalaya, for accepting our invitation and joining us today. Sir, you have spared your time from your busy schedule to grace this occasion of our school, the Parents' Day celebration, and also the inauguration of the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Higher Secondary School, Sohra, 1999 to 2009.